Hello, good afternoon. So once again, my name is Christopher from Maxim, Cebu, Philippines. Okay? So guys, tuturuan ko po kayo. May mga katanungan po tayo na, Sir, bakit po yung address namin hindi po makita sa Maxim, ngunit makita po siya sa ibang delivery app? Okay? This is the common questions na na-receive namin since before and until now. But as of this time, I will be answering all your questions through this live. Okay? Ang tanong, paano po ba mag-add ng address sa Maxim application? Okay? So guys, here is the information that I want to provide to everybody. Wherever you are in the Philippines, whatever na branch po kayo, the same po yung process natin. Okay? So, all we need to do, if you are from Cebu, you can search Maxim Cebu PH. And if you are from other city, for example, Iligan, so Maxim Iligan PH. If you are from Jensan, Maxim Jensan PH. And regardless kung aling city po kayo guys, so the same process, okay? Ang gawin po natin guys is ganito. Okay guys, so halimbawa, ito guys, San Marino Residences. Halimbawa, itong si San Marino Residences is hindi po makikita sa Maxim application. So, mag-request po tayo ni Maxim kung paano ma-add yung name ng address or business natin sa mismong Maxim application. So, i-search lang po natin if ma-search po ba siya sa Google. So, i-click lang po natin siya, pindutin. And of course, as per checking is, nandito na po siya. Ayan, San Marino Residences. If you are using like computer, like what I'm using right now, i-bring lang po natin si cursor. Ito, si cursor, diba? I-bring lang po natin siya, tapos pindutin natin. Okay? Pindutin natin siya, right click, okay? Paglabas po guys, manghingi po si driver, si customer service ni Maxim. Pag halimbawa mag-request kayo ng address na ipa-add sa Maxim, sabihin po ni Maxim customer service, ma'am, pa-send lang po just in case makita yung address ninyo sa mismong Google app or sa Google Map, pa-send po ng coordinate. Ang ibig sabihin ng coordinate guys, ito po si 10.30979, space 123.19551. Yan po yung tinatawag naming coordinate. Okay? Halimbawa, i-click natin yung coordinate, so automatic, makopy po siya. Nakopya sa clipboard. So yun guys, since nakopya na po siya, yun po yung isend natin sa mismong Maxim customer service or kung sino man yung nakachat ninyo or tumawag sa inyo na manghingi sila ng anong tawag nito? Ng coordinate po. So, coordinate meaning, yun po yung number na pinakita ko sa inyo. Pwede nyo balikan. Okay? Yun po yung coordinate. So, halimbawa, di ba, San Marino Residences yung nakalagay. If you have your business sa mismong San Marino Residences, you can pin, you can request, halimbawa, lagyan natin ng halimbawa sa akin, Chris Loloy Cafe, Chris Loloy Shop, Chris Loloy, or kung ano yung mismong pangalan ng inyong business. We can definitely add the name of your store, the name of your business, or kahit na pwede nyo ipalagay sa mismong app ni Maxim. Within 24 hours after the approval or sabihin ni customer service, ma'am, your address is successfully added sa map and it will reflect within 24 to 48 hours. Okay? Mag-reflect na po siya. So next time around, if you will be placing an order through Maxim application, maging visible na po yung address ninyo. Okay? Wala po kayong access kung paano mag-add ng address sa mismong Maxim app because si Maxim, meron po kaming sariling application or access para makapag-pin ng address. We are not using Google Map, but we use Google Map as our basis guide to add or to pin additional address sa mga address na hindi po visible sa mismong Maxim application. Okay? So if you are listening this video and you have problem pinning your address or hindi visible yung address nyo sa Maxim application, you can contact sa city page dyan sa inyo, or you can visit the physical office ng Maxim ni closer or na malapit sa inyo para ma-add po namin yung mismong address ninyo sa mismong Maxim application. Okay? So I hope nakatulong po ito, guys. Pwede po kayong tumawag, mag-text, or I can recommend to chat. If you are from Cebu, since I'm from Cebu, from the main office of Maxim, you can chat Maxim Cebu PH. Okay? Or sa mismong application ninyo, you can absolutely try to message to the management, and you can send a message that you are requesting for adding of address. Your address is not visible sa map ni Maxim, so we can contact you guys. We can guide you how to ano yung mga steps or process para ma-pin namin yung orders. Okay? Again, uulitin ko po paano magkuha ng coordinate, kasi yun po yung hingin ni customer service ni Maxim para ma-add namin yung address ninyo. So, ito guys, halimbawa hindi visible yung SM, pero I'm sure visible siya. Pero halimbawa pag hindi visible, so i-search lang po ninyo yung address ninyo guys sa Google Map. For example, ito SM City Cebu. Ayan. So, ito na po sa SM City Cebu. Yan po siya. So ngayon, sabihin ni customer service ni Maxim, ma'am, para ma-add po namin yung address ninyo, manghingi po kami ng coordinates para yun po yung basihan namin, the same coordinate number to make sure na the same address yung mapin namin kay Maxim. So ito, you can bring the cursor, diba, SM City Cebu. So yun na siya. Pagkatapos dyan, right click. Kung cellphone or data or mobile yung gamit ninyo, is you can actually long press, pero pag computer tulad ng ginamit ko, right click lang po siya dito sa mismong arrow, ha, yan si SM City Cebu, bring the cursor sa mismong arrow, ayan, so yan yung coordinate, i-click mo lang yan para automatic makopy siya. So 10, yan si 10, 31, yan yung coordinate. So you need to copy, wag mong isa-isahin, double click lang para lumabas yan na, yan, nakopya na siya. So again, yan po. So, yan po yung isend ninyo sa amin para makuha namin yung coordinate number. With that, we can add your address talaga. So, halimbawa, ipalagay nyo sa mismong address ninyo is Loloy Bakery or Loloy Bake Shop, Loloy Sari-Sari Store, or kahit anong name. Base po sa inyong name ng business, we can add po sa Maxim. And that is for free. No charge and obligation. Wala po kami i-charge sa inyo. All of that are for free. Okay? I hope you've learned this video, and I hope you can share also. So everyone, sa lahat po ng customers namin, our valued customers, those customers who are experiencing problem to pin their address sa Maxim application, kahit papano, matulungan namin kayo, at saka next time around na magbubo kayo, is mapin nyo na yung mismong address nyo po. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and you do have a wonderful day. Good afternoon. This is Christopher. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.